haven't seen on the San Francisco real estate market in a really long time?
What?
A super chic 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo with iconic San Francisco skyline views and in a cool neighborhood.
Well, that's because that is a total outlier.
I mean, is it too much to ask to be able to wake up every morning and watch the sunrise from your own bed? I don't think so.
It sounds like you're looking for a sanctuary where style, sophistication, and serenity all meet while being drenched in San Francisco's gorgeous skyline views.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, today is your lucky day.
Why?
Your dreams have manifested. I have just the property for you.
Let's go see it.